In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Lucidchart. Let's begin with the basics. Imagine you're on your computer, ready to dive into a new project. First, you'll want to navigate to your Lucidchart homepage. This is essentially your dashboard, where all your ongoing and past projects are neatly organized for easy access. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top and you'll find a button labeled New. Clicking this provides you with a drop-down menu of options. You'll want to hover over Lucidchart. This is where things get interesting and where you'll start seeing a lot of possibilities unfold. Next, click on Create from Template. This simple action takes you into Lucidchart's vast library of templates. Now, you'll notice a plethora of templates labeled For You. These are tailored selections that could help get your creative juices flowing, based on your previous projects or commonly used formats. Another block you might want to check out is Recommended. These are templates that Lucidchart suggests you might find useful. As you scroll through, you'll see all available templates. It's a good idea to explore this section thoroughly, as the variety of templates can offer some inspiration or the perfect tool for your project needs. Looking away from the central showcase, over to the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with options. These categories can help refine your search, filtering templates specific to, say, flowcharts, floor plans, or network diagrams, amongst others. Perhaps you know exactly what type of template you're after but can't see it immediately. In this case, utilize the template search bar. Simply type in keywords that describe what you're looking for, and Lucidchart will present the most relevant results. After finding a template that suits your project, click on it. This action opens a detailed view of the template, allowing you to better envision how it might fit your work. Satisfied with your choice? Proceed by clicking Use Template. This will replicate the template in a new Lucidchart document ready for your customization. Once inside the editor, make your edits based on your preferred design. Adjust elements, add your data, and make it uniquely yours. The platform's tools are intuitive and user-friendly. Finally, after your design is complete, it's important to export your work. Various formats are available, ensuring you can share your ideas in the most effective way. Exporting also ensures that your hard work is saved and easily accessible outside of Lucidchart. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using templates in Lucidchart. By following these instructions, you'll efficiently create professional and visually engaging diagrams and flowcharts to support your projects.